Greetings, creative writing students. I just wanted to make this video and kind of talk you through the end of the semester and the final portfolio that you may or may not be starting to work on. I've updated the requirements for it a little bit. I've changed things around from how I've done them in the past, and I just kind of want to talk through that. So, first of all, congrats on getting this far in the term. I know personally for me, it's been a long semester. I am still grading through things and trying to comment on stories, so don't worry, things are happening. I'm hopeful that I'll be done with things by the end of the weekend. But yeah, more to the point, let's talk about the portfolio. So the portfolio is the final project you're going to be working on. It is sort of, you might think of it as kind of a culminating thing that you could take to someone and say, this is sort of, this gives a demonstration of me as a writer, right? Of me as a person who's done some creative work. So yeah, there's a few components to the portfolio, so I just kind of want to talk you through that. But format-wise, what I would say is do this all on one document. Just space it out. Do it as one document and upload it. You can upload multiple documents to the assignment space if you need to, but you can also do them on one document. Just put breaks between them so I know where everything is, right? It's easy for me to tell when one story starts and another one stops. So, all right, so what you're going to do is there's going to be sort of three things to consider with this. The first is sort of an introduction. This is roughly a page and a half of writing. It talks about your creative writing process and goals. And basically, it's trying to answer a question. That question is, why do people do creative writing? What is the purpose of creative writing? What is the function of creative writing? And you could think of this as like the so what, right? You signed up for this class for a reason, and what does creative writing allow you to do, right? What's the purpose of it? After you do that, you then insert two pieces of writing. One is a edited/revised version of something I've already seen from this course. So it is a revision. The second piece is something new that I haven't seen before. It should, of course, demonstrate your skill, and it should make sense why it's sort of included. So that's a very brief kind of description of what the portfolio is. Remember, there's three pieces to it, right? There's the introduction, creative writing piece 1, creative writing piece 2. The introduction certainly can be written as I statements. It's first person, it's personal. The key thing to remember is please proofread, check it, make sure it's clear. You want this to be examples of your best writing because it's your sort of portfolio for the semester. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a good weekend.